tabletop arcade console from an old display. In this section, we will make an awesome DIY project that utilizes an old CCTV display and a plywood kit for an ultimate blast from the past. A mini arcade that sits on top of your desk, but still bringing back that mid-80s, early 90s nostalgia. Parts needed. In this video, we will go through the parts and tools needed to build our arcade machine. First is my display. It is not an ancient display, but it has seen its fair share of use. It is a 12 volts display that has HDMI and 5 volts out, giving us the possibility to power everything with just one cable, making it perfect for this project. Speaking of powering, you will need a reliable 12 volts power supply. Board of choice again is a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B+. It can run all kinds of emulators and games, bringing more capabilities than his little brother Pi Zero. Again, I can't stress this enough, an SD card from a reputable manufacturer. This will save you from waking up in the morning with all your files deleted or not functioning whatsoever. A short HDMI cable for our video and audio output, and a short micro USB cable for powering our Pi. For our case, I think I found the best solution. This laser cut kit that I found online saves you time and actually money by coming already cut and super easy to put together. No electric tools needed. For our USB controller, you can't go wrong with these ones. These are the most generic USB controllers, which usually comes together with all the buttons and cables necessary to put an arcade machine together. Leading us to our JST connectors. These will plug into our controller board and buttons. Speaking of which, they come in sets, so you can't order less than you need. Anyway, 9 is the maximum number of buttons that this kit can house. 2 start and select buttons, and the 7th for the rest of them. We will also need a joystick. It's hard to find a small one that can fit in this small case, so I will show you how to modify a normal size one to fit in our mini arcade. A 5-pin JST connector for our joystick, some spray paint cans. Here you can go with whichever colors you want. I will use a white base and different colors for a splatter effect. Some sandpaper for preparing the surface for painting, a small handsaw, and finally a screwdriver.